turn. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. We happen to be in New Jersey and we got a little 20-mile 47-minute ride ahead of us back to New York City. I had the pleasure of hanging out with my amigos, grilling, chilling, playing some darts, relaxing, and now I am cruising back to the real world. It happens to be a Sunday, so still a nice relaxing day ahead. It's about noon. It's 11:54 to be exact. Here we go. It's 40 degrees, so it's not exactly the most welcoming warm temperature, but at the same time it's not so bad. This person is slowing down just to make sure we don't make this light. There we go. Which way are you gonna go, buddy? So we'll take a right over here. Nice and easy. And look, a little bit of sun came out. So yeah, it's a nice weekend because it's the first time I got to ride the old bike for longer than, 20 minutes, freezing. It's still gonna be freezing today, but yesterday was just a beautiful day. There was just nothing wrong with it. It was like 50 degrees, but today we're just taking it easy. It's gonna be a relaxing ride. Not gonna do anything too aggressive. Just gonna take it easy, essentially. There we go. Doo-doo. Come on, boys. You're gonna have to gun it, Lexus. You got it, bro. We got Rutgers School of Pharmacy. Hey, why not? Come on, baby. You got it. I'm pretty excited. When I get home, I get to watch a little bit of MotoGP. Not MotoGP, Formula 1. Today is the first race of the season in Australia, which will date this vlog, because I'm not sure when I'm gonna put it out. Nobody knows, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be like a cold little vlog. I see my jacket is unbuckled. What are you doing? No turn signal, no nothing. Wasn't able to do it. Here we go. I was trying to flip off my jacket, but it's fine. Let's get on the highway right away. I don't need to be in the fast lane though. I can probably be in the middle lane. But the fast lane is kind of cooking a little bit, so we might as well cook it there. They're saying there might be a little bit of rain coming up soon, which is not something I'm really into. Not the biggest fan of rain, especially when it's 40 degrees. Because it just feels cold, extra cold. Nice little highway run. Gonna switch over to the right. I don't need to be in the fast lane. Other people might want to pass me, You can see the city in the background, Empire State Building. Oh yeah. Sorry for the lack of commentary. I'm just enjoying myself, just really enjoying just cruising. Don't need much. Oh no, that means traffic. We don't need any traffic. Definitely don't need traffic. People are going to be coming over into this lane. It's alright. Look at this Thunderbird. I don't see these often. Blast from the past. Still got 4.5 miles on this little road before I have to move on. Could have just gunned it there. No, it's fine. How, so might as well just tuck it about. Tuck it about. Move over so other people can pass me. But look at those clouds. They don't look so happy. They're not happy clouds. I can't tell if there's like vents open in my helmet. There might be. Because it sure is windy. Bus, bro. This bus. Sixth gear. I keep hearing these noises as if like the rain is coming or something. Not a big fan of that kind of sound. Yeah, yesterday was a good night. Great time. I was up till 4 in the morning. Just chilling. Catching up. Such a nice time. And tomorrow is back to the grind, but today, just get to relax. Perhaps I've said that already, but perhaps not. Nobody knows. Lincoln Tunnel. That's what we want. Trying to decide which way I'm going to go across the city. Might do it the easy way, like on the highways in FDR, or maybe I'll do it the local way. Don't want too much action, you know. Just a nice simple cruise. That's what I want. So yeah, we might do the FDR. Easier that way. Now you can see Empire State right ahead. New Jersey. Beautiful New Jersey. On a nice gray day. Yeah, if the sun was out, it would have been 50. Oh, great. I got a little situation here with the gas. Gas light came on. 83 miles. Could probably get gas, I guess. I guess the car would be useful. Don't want to be out of gas in Manhattan. You know, that would be a silly thing. Pothole ahead. Thank you for the heads up, broski. Appreciate it. miles. No problem. No problem. I was gonna get off here and get some gas, but I'm just gonna, you know, go into the city. Probably gonna go via Queensbridge, get some gas over there in Queens. Traffic is slowing down just a little bit. That's cool. I can respect that. Definitely want to be in the right lane. That's the lane to be in. But first I gotta pass this little Basolio. Beautiful New York City unfolds right ahead of us. Half a mile, exit right. You can definitely do that. Not a problem whatsoever. I like that there was no traffic to the bridge. That's kind of nice. Turn. Cash. We need cash. Here we are. Nice. Hello. Thank you. And here we are in the Lincoln Tunnel. Thank you for watching.